Are you okay? maxaa dhacay?
Just the journey from school. It took so long and there was no bus. So I had to walk.
Back in Africa, Somalia, I used to swim. I used to swim to school. I nearly drowned 5 times. What happened to you?
My stomach hurts. I must have had something with food poisoning.
Assalamu alaikum. Listen, back in Africa, Somalia, I used to go to work without legs. Yes, I was in a wheelchair, climbing mountains every day.
How did you even climb without legs?
When I was 15 years old, I had 10 kids, yeah? And look at you cannot even work. No job, no money, yeah? Big back, you fed away. When I was a baby, I did not sleep, yeah? I used to clean the house at 9 months old.
I'm sleeping.
You become absolutely disgusting. Big back. Sleeping all day like a Shrek. Yeah, big back.